Why did you fall asleep in class today? Why did you fall asleep in class today?
I stayed up late playing Farmville. I stayed up late playing Farmville.
What is that? What is that?
A game on Facebook. A game on Facebook.
You play too many games. You play too many games.
You should play with me sometime. You should play with me sometime.
No way! I don't want to. No way! I don't want to. You play too many.
Why don't you?
I don't want to be a zombie. No way! I don't want to.
What's a zombie? What's a zombie?
What you'll become if you play too many games. What you'll become if you play too many games.
I guess I should play less often. I guess I should play less often.
Thanks for watching. Please share and like if you enjoyed the video. Thanks so much. Please subscribe to update new videos.